In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to make an image transparent in Canva. So we have an image here in our Canva and we're going to select this image. And at the top left corner, we have the edit image. We're going to click on it. And here in the Magic Studio, we have the background remover. So we're going to click on it to apply the effect. And now you can see it's changed a bit. And we're going to go to share. We're going to click on download. And already we have transparent background, but if you do not have it, you have to check the box and click on download. So we have a folder here, so I'm going to be saving it here, and I will just change the name. So I just changed the name to transparent and I'll save it here. And now you can see it's completed. So we're going to click show in File Explorer. And here we have our image. We're going to double click on it. And there you go. We now have a transparent image with the background removed. So this is how to make your image transparent in Canva.